Luxury chocolate begins deep in tropical cacao farms. Only perfectly ripened cacao pods are selected for harvest. Fresh cacao pods are collected immediately after harvesting. They must reach processing quickly to preserve quality. The harvested cacao is quickly moved to transport vehicles. Speed is crucial to maintain freshness. Fresh cacao pods arrive at the chocolate factory. Strict quality control begins at entry. The cacao harvest is transported toward industrial processing facilities. Time-sensitive delivery ensures quality preservation. Each cacao pod is unloaded for detailed inspection. Only premium pods move forward. Cacao pods are loaded into trucks for processing. The journey to the factory begins immediately.
Quality selection ensures only the best cacao is used. This defines the final chocolate flavor.
The cacao pod is opened to reveal fresh beans inside. This is the raw heart of chocolate production. Fresh cacao beans are placed into fermentation boxes. This step begins flavor development.
The beans are covered to begin fermentation. Natural heat starts breaking down sugars.
Fermentation generates natural heat inside the beans. Careful monitoring ensures perfect flavor development.
Beans are turned for even fermentation. This improves chocolate aroma complexity. Fermented beans are now ready for drying. Sunlight removes excess moisture. Dried beans are packed for transport to roasting. Now flavor transformation intensifies. Cacao beans enter high-temperature roasting machines. This unlocks rich chocolate aroma.
Beans must be evenly dried under the sun. This locks in their future chocolate quality.
Roasting develops deep chocolate flavor and aroma. Precise heat control is critical. Roasted beans are quickly cooled to preserve flavor. Next, shells will be removed for pure cacao nibs. Roasted beans are now cracked to separate shells. This reveals the inner cacao nibs. Air separation removes unwanted cacao shells. Only pure nibs are kept for chocolate making. These pure cacao nibs are the essence of chocolate. Next step transforms them into paste. Stone grinding releases natural cocoa butter. This creates thick chocolate liquor. The nibs transform into rich chocolate liquor. This is pure, unsweetened chocolate base. The chocolate base is moved into blending tanks. Flavor refinement begins here. Sugar and cocoa butter are carefully added. This creates balanced chocolate flavor.
Mixing creates smooth and creamy chocolate texture. Next, refining makes it silky.
Refining makes chocolate extremely smooth. This removes any grainy texture.
Conching develops the final chocolate flavor profile. Texture becomes luxuriously smooth and rich.
Slow conching refines flavor at a molecular level. This removes acidity and bitterness.
Aeration enhances chocolate aroma and smoothness. Heat helps balance final taste. Every batch is tested for smoothness and flavor balance. Quality control ensures luxury standards. Only perfectly balanced chocolate passes quality checks. Precision defines luxury chocolate. Tempering stabilizes cocoa butter crystals. This gives chocolate its shine and snap. Precise temperature cycles ensure perfect texture. This step is crucial for final quality. Proper temper gives chocolate its signature shine. Now it's ready for shaping.
Vibration ensures a flawless chocolate texture. No air gaps remain inside bars.
Controlled cooling solidifies each chocolate bar. This locks in structure and shine.
Chocolate has now fully solidified into premium bars. Next comes final finishing.
Perfectly formed chocolate bars are carefully released. Shape and shine are checked instantly.
Each bar undergoes strict visual inspection. Only flawless chocolate continues.
Protective foil locks in freshness. This preserves premium quality.
Bars are carefully placed into premium packaging boxes. Presentation begins to match luxury standards.
Luxury branding is printed with precision. Every bar gets its identity.
Each box is securely sealed for freshness. Protection ensures product integrity.
Each shipment carries carefully crafted luxury chocolate, ready for global distribution centers.
Each shipment is carefully recorded and tracked. Inventory control ensures global quality standards.
Climate-controlled storage preserves chocolate freshness. Every detail protects flavor integrity.
Even after packaging, samples are tested again. Quality is never compromised.
A perfect snap confirms premium tempering. This defines luxury chocolate quality.
Batch 45 is approved for processing. Excellent, the inventory levels are updated.
Luxury chocolate is now distributed across global markets. From factory to international shelves.
Premium chocolate begins its global journey. From factory to worldwide consumers.
Inside the factory, how cacao pods turn into luxurious chocolate. Full process.
From cacao pods to world-class luxury chocolate. A journey of precision, craft, and excellence.